Hello guys, and today I'm going to be unboxing the tarantula, remote control tarantula, and I'm also going to be playing with it. So, bring it down here. Let's see. Let's do this. Perfect. Oh, I got a text, sorry. Okay, sorry about that. Here we go. Let's get right into this. So, I'll probably just get the knife out, wherever that thing is. Oh, God. I'll find it later. Okay, here. Okay, let's unbox this thing. I love unboxing stuff. It's just so fun for some reason. Okay, let's go. Get into this thing. I don't know what I'm going to do now. Okay. Okay, it's got remote. The instructions right here. Now, let's get this thing out of its box. Oh wait, I got that. And then let's get it out. Oh god. You probably can't see that. Oh god, that's awesome looking. Look at that. Sorry about that. Okay. So here it is. Okay, it's got the tarantula in it and the controls. So, let me get this out of here. It appears to be stuck. Let's see what's sticking it in there. Oh, I see. Oh, so there's those things. Stupid string. Okay. Okay, sorry if you can't see. This won't take me too long. Crap. Okay, here we go. And get that spider out. And here it is. The tarantula. It's pretty cool looking. Now, get the remotes out and then get this thing working. Now, get this thing out of here. And I'm pretty sure there's not batteries in this already, so I'm going to just check that right now. Okay, I'm going to put this here, and yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get this and see. Oh god, I got hair all over me. Oh god, you don't want to put that on you, you get hair all over yourself. Oh, this thing's shedding. Whew. That's weird. Got hair all over myself. That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Well, yeah, pretty much. Now, just get this off. And then, sorry about that. And then just, man, this is a big screw. Oh god, got it out. Finally. Yep, he needs batteries. Let's see what kind of batteries does he need. Okay, I'll just go get my batteries. So, go down here. Some batteries. No, what's this? I didn't order anything. Is that a... Oh my god, he ordered it. Oh my god, yes! Yes, I'm going to make a video about that in a second. Go watch my next video, if it's already uploaded. Or you're watching this while I'm making the other video. Just wait, and I'll have that uploaded. Let's see. Get this. That's perfect. Perfecto. Oh, sure hope that's enough, because I have a feeling it's not. If not, that would stink. Okay. Let's get this beer back. Sorry, I don't have nothing to hold it on a second, so go ahead and get this. Wait, how many batteries do I need? Oh, man. Go in there? Okay. I can't play with this. I'll have another video reviewing about it, so yeah. Bye. That's the... But I forgot to show you. That's the remote control spider. But yeah. Bye.